So in this video, we are looking at top 7 AI job boards where you can simply get access to AI jobs and also remote jobs. So now the first one is simply called aijobs.ai. And of course, guys, this is the #1 job board for careers in artificial intelligence. So you can find the perfect job at a top AI company or in AI adjacent fields like data science and machine learning. Oh, we have people that are posting jobs right there. So now you can actually come here and apply for the jobs. All right, so now we have the feature jobs right here. We have a lot of jobs. So guys, now you can come here and change your location. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, India, USA, you can come here, change your location or enter your location rather, or enter the job title right there and find the job now. So now these are the available jobs right here. So guys, this is simply amazing for those that are really serious about landing AI jobs or remote jobs right there. All right, so guys, now this is the first website on our list, aijobs.ai. Now the second one is simply called WebFund, and WebFund, this is where great companies meet great people, the AI recruiting platform for startups. Now is people actually post jobs right here, deploy AI sourcing agent or hire with a dedicated recruiter. So you can actually find your job right here on the wellfund.com. So guys, if you want to go through this, sign up for free. It is totally free. Of course, get access to jobs. All right, so now this is the second one. You can simply go through it and get more information. So this, we have the FAQs right there. What is WebFund? So now this is it, guys. Now is WebFund free to post jobs, and is WebFund free for job seekers? So let's check this out. Maybe this is free. Yes, creating a profile and applying to jobs on WebFund is always free for candidates. So guys, this is totally free. You can simply come here, create your account, and start applying to jobs. All right, so now this is the second one, and the third one right there is Crossover. So guys, you can simply get access to remote AI developer jobs in Nigeria on this platform called Crossover. So now, as you can see, you can simply go through their FAQs to get more information on this. Now let's really check this out. What does Crossover do? Let's check this out. So Crossover is the world's largest recruitment platform that specializes in location-free remote full-time jobs with over 8 million members. Now we also help our clients fill positions that require physical presence, so it is not uncommon to find an in-person or hybrid job listing. You can use our easy filters to hide jobs you don't want to see. All right, so now this about this platform. Now let's check the eligibility right here. Am I eligible to apply for a job on Crossboard? So now let's check that right now. So now guys, this is very important. I just want to make sure you understand this before you go ahead and apply right here on the Crossover. Now Crossover has hired from over 130 countries. Chances are this includes your one. To apply for most of our global remote roles, all you need is a strong internet connection, the desire to work, and a clean background check. Now, some of our fastest growing clients also use Crossover to fill in person and hybrid employees positions. In addition to their global remote teammate, for obvious reasons, non-remote roles are only available to people who are eligible, all right, and willing to work in that location. Now, most often that means holding US citizenship or a valid work visa. So, all right, so this is very important. Of course, guys, I'm going to show you more websites. All right, so occasionally a job will have other unique requirements, e.g., a valid teaching license or a specific qualification experience. And guys, all these requirements are always clearly outlined in the job description, so be sure to review carefully before applying and use our easy search filters to hide any jobs you don't want to see. So guys, now that you know what this platform is all about, please take your time and go through Crossover. All right, and guys, please, if you're getting value, I want you to like this video. All right, just give it a thumbs up and also comment logic to show that you are with me. All right, so now the next one right here is aijobs.net. Now you can simply find jobs in AI, ML, data science, and big data. So you can simply come here by topic. You can filter by topics, by skills, by roles right there, by countries, all right, by states, cities, and so on, by the job types, by the experience level. So you can filter that. So we have a whole lot of them right here on aijobs.net. And guys, now as you can see, we have different jobs right there. Most of them, as you can see, this was posted 9 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 10 hours ago, to show that this platform is always active, aijobs.net. Now, another one that I believe most of us we are well familiar with is LinkedIn. So now LinkedIn, you can simply find legit jobs right there on LinkedIn. So you just have to create an account. It is totally free. So we have a whole lot of jobs right here on LinkedIn. We have data scientist, and this was posted 2 months ago. We have mobile AI engineer. This was posted 3 weeks ago, and we have some that were posted just a day ago. As you can see right here, AI power customer enablement engineer, and this was posted a day ago. And we have 3 weeks ago, backend AI engineer, and so on. So guys, we have a whole lot of them right here. So now you can simply go through it. And of course guys, if you're not from Nigeria, you can simply come here where you see Nigeria right here, change your location. You can change this, all right? Change this, remove this, add your location, maybe India, Ghana, USA, and so on. You can simply come here and add the location right here. And if your job right here, you can change from artificial intelligence to anyone you are okay with. All right. Now, before I move to the next one, I believe this is the fifth job board right here on our list. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right. So now the next one right here is called builtin.com. So you can actually get access to jobs right here on builtin.com. So you can see you can start your job search right here by coming here. All right, all tech jobs, see all remote tech jobs right here. So you can go through this website or come to their careers and simply get access to jobs right here on the builtin.com. All right, so guys, this is legit. All right, this is legit. Take note of that, and please you have to take action. All right, that is the only way you can earn. All right, you have to take action. And of course guys, the last one, which is simply called remotive.com. So on remotive guys, you can apply to the best remote jobs before everyone else. All right, so you simply get access to not just remote jobs, you get access to AI jobs. And now I'll simply scroll down to show you the possibilities right here on this job board right here. So we have on this job board, so we have office assistant, and you can see this is new. You can literally earn this amount right here, and this is worldwide. All right. We have another one right here, freelance writer. This is also worldwide, which is paying 50 to $75 per hour on the remotive.com. And of course we have senior independent AI engineer for those that are in Europe, Americas, Israel, and so on. So now we have worldwide, the jobs for worldwide right here, inside sales contractor. So as you can see, we have worldwide. Let me look for another one. We have a copywriter. All right. So if you're interested in writing freelance, this one is for you, copywriter. So please guys, you have to take action and start applying to these jobs almost immediately. All right, these are top 7 AI job boards. So guys, I'll be making more videos on the different ways in which you can simply earn using AI. And of course guys, I made a video just of recent on how I earned $150 using AI to write. If you're interested in that guys, I'll be leaving the link and also the workflow on how you can actually achieve this in the description of this video. So guys, I'll make sure you actually check it out. And of course guys, if you actually need my support, I believe in my WhatsApp link in the description of this video. So guys, this is what I have for you in today's video. If you actually got value, please guys, like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend out there. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.